Walking is the best exercise. It is a natural tonic. It is good for the old and young alike. It keeps the body healthy and strong. There is saying a healthy mind lives in a healthy body. It keeps our mind fresh and makes us active. Early rising is a good habit. Nature is full of peace and beauty. Through morning walk we come into close contact with nature. We enjoy the beauty of nature. The air is cool and pleasant. We see that birds are singing. Flowers are laughing and leaves are dancing. We feel pleasure. There are green trees and green fields. They look very beautiful. The air is fresh and full of natural fragrance. Peace is everywhere. It gives us pleasure and peace. We forget our worries. Noble ideas come to our mind. We are not in a hurry and walk slowly. We feel that God is really a big artist. We get free fresh oxygen. It makes our lungs and heart strong and keeps illness away. After some time, the sky begins to become red in the east. It shows that the sun is about to rise. Slowly the sun peeps out at horizon. It looks like a big red ball. The scene of rising sun has its own charm. In short, we can say that morning walk is a boon.